Hi guys, welcome to BCCA. This is Sierra Aviteja and I'm your faculty for Corporate Financial Reporting at CMA final level. So here is the most awaited video of Super 55, which are guaranteed questions from your examination perspective. If you master these Super 55 questions, your exam fear is going to get ended right now. These are the most expected, repetitive, and powerful questions. So, if you are fine with these questions, you can even write your exam right now also. This is going to suit whether you have taken the classes earlier, whether you have done enough revisions earlier, or even if you have not started your preparation from the scratch, this video is going to really help even you as well. So, whether you are at any stage, this video is going to exactly help you. This is the perfect last minute push, which is very much essential at this point of time. So here I have carefully handcrafted and picked super 55 questions from all the chapters. I have not even ignored a miscellaneous chapter also, because even at any chance, even if at any chance, if they have asked any question from the most ignored chapter also, you are going to get a proper command and you will be getting a minimum sort of marks, even from that ignored chapter also. So what you have to do, whatever the questions which I have categorized as super 55, if you practice these questions well, you are going to get more than an exemption. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to master these questions. Sir, mastering these questions means you have to solve these questions twice or thrice to have a proper comfort. So whatever the questions which I have categorized here are from the recent workbook. So recent workbook which with this index, basically this is the material which I will be referring in this super 55. Okay, so this is the workbook. So and here are the super 55 questions. Sir, how can we find solutions or where can we get the concepts for all these super 55 questions? Guys, don't worry at all. I will be releasing a marathon which is going to cover all the topics, and trust me, everything is discussed very in depth. I have not just explained the questions, I have also covered the concepts also brilliantly. It is going to be an effective explanation at concise also. Okay, so what you have to do is just watch this marathon. This is going to be released on 18th of November at 6 p.m. Okay, every chapter is covered. 16 very nicely I have covered. 38, 36, 115, 116, NBFC, financial instruments, and even this goodwill also. Whatever is required, I have covered even more than that only. Okay, considering the time constraints also, I have carefully kept the video very effective. Okay, if you check this business combination and CFS and SFS, I have already released a separate videos for these chapters. Those are very, 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 very comprehensive. Trust me, how much comprehensive they are, these videos are also going to be at that level only. So these are the topics which are going to covered in the upcoming marathon. And other than that, especially many students are worried about this, which is nothing but MCQs and theory chapters. These topics are not covered in this marathon. So what I will be doing is I will be making a separate video which will be covering all the theory aspects along with MCQs cut detailed explanations also. So this video will be uploaded somewhere before within the weekend only. I will be uploading that. You guys no need to worry at all. But first what you can do is whatever the topics which I will be uploading in the marathon, you just have to get a proper comfort. Again, I'm saying if you master all these super 55 questions, you are going to get more than an exemption only. That is for sure. Some miscellaneous chapters are there. Regarding those miscellaneous chapters, for example, Ind AS 8 is there, Ind AS 21 is there, Ind AS 12 is there. So these topics, so what I will be doing is I will be covering in this MCQs session only. Okay, even some miscellaneous standards also along with MCQs and theory will be discussed in that separate video which will be releasing before this week end. Okay, but other than this, all important topics are already covered in marathon. So what you have to do is you just have to watch this and practice these questions properly. Every question is also discussed there. Majority of the questions, I can say that 98% of the questions are already covered there. Even if any question is missing, whatever the concept which I have discussed in that class, if you understood that, you can aram se solve any kind of a question which they will be asking in the examination. Okay, fine, sir. This is the perfect last minute push which most of the students are required, because I personally know the importance of last minute push. What is the extent of your preparation till now? It doesn't matter. If you start from right now, if you just start watching the marathon along with the super 55 questions, trust me, you will definitely get an exemption. Okay, so that's it. Just stay tuned for this marathon, which is going to be released tomorrow along with these videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. A very, 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 very all the best.